So we have someone here rocking a blonde mini bob. The stylist goes in with some color. Wow. Oh, I love this transformation. Beautiful blonde pixie with the pink going there at the top. This is absolutely stunning. I love this cut and color combination. She looks absolutely beautiful. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle and today we're going to be checking out some more hair transformations. So here we have this stylist cutting someone who has beautiful ginger colored hair. Looks like he is adding in some layers for this one. Beautiful, I absolutely love her hair color. She looks beautiful. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles spotted within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button and you'll of course stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have someone with mid-length hair. And it looks like she's cutting the hair into a bob. Beautiful bottleneck style bob with the bangs well in the front. She looks gorgeous. And here we have someone with a bob hairstyle. And it looks like she got a nice cut refresh into more of a mini bob haircut. She does have some bangs also going in the front. Looks like we have a color change for the next one. Oh, wow. Look at the dimension on this. So pretty. So then we see someone with long ginger hair switch things up with this beautiful bob. So next up we have some low lights and some warm beige hair coloring being done. Alright, so let's see the finished results. Beautiful. So then we have someone here with long hair. She's a beautiful chocolate brown color. She does have darker roots, so she might get a cut, refresh, and color. Stylist chops the hair, these ponytails. Oh, wow. So she did keep her color. She does have a nice little pixie bob. Or an asymmetrical pixie. Yes, this is gorgeous. Beautifully done. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all the hairstyles with me today. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.